Hi y'all, this video is going to review how to use Diigo, which remember is a good resource for you to keep track of your research. Just kind of a heads up, anything that you find here in Diigo and annotate, which is all fine and good and fantastic, you still need to pull out information to put over here in your research documentation that y'all received today for your first day of researching. Okay, for Diigo, it immediately takes me when I go to diigo.com to my library. These are the sources I have already saved. But just keep in mind it's a good idea to start with your groups, because in our 7th grade ELA group there have already been tons of articles that have been found. I can search in this group for an article over my topic. So let's say I'm searching for tobacco and I find a source. I can go ahead and open it. I can immediately see annotations that were already done on this document and I can have access to them. Notice that my D over here in this corner is launched because I clicked my Diigo extension, but this will open and I have options to highlight. Let's say I want my annotations in pink. Whenever I am finding information, it'll immediately save those for me, just like that. I will be able to still access them back on Diigo. As far as bookmark, this is already saved. So as soon as I've annotated it, I found it saved. Let's say I found something in Explorer, so I just pulled up a random article here. I can save these things in Explorer too. I go up here to launch my Diigo. I can save this bookmark. Then this is where I can change the title, add a description. I may want to say this was from Explorer for teens. Maybe I have some tags like tobacco, health. Ooh, might help if I spelled health. You don't have to worry about adding to an outliner, but sharing to our group. Let's say I put it in 7th grade ELA, and I can click save. So then that's saved for me. Maybe I can annotate it and pull out things that I want to annotate. But again, all of that's saved here, even just using a database. Let's say I found something doing a regular Google search, same thing. I launch my Diigo up here. I can save this bookmark. I have a chance to add a description, so maybe I'm saying this is for teens health. I can add tag health teens. I'm going to share it to my same group and save. Okay, I can annotate this article if I want to. I can have sticky notes for this article, or maybe I am taking notes here over this article, and this may be able to help you. Same thing with annotating and pulling out information. So then, let's say I'm kind of looked around, looked at some sources. I can always go back to Diigo. If I just want to go to my home screen and see my library of the things that I found, those articles that I just looked at are already here showing up in my library, as well as showing up in my groups for my 7th grade ELA people to see that as well. Okay, so use Diigo, it will help you. Make sure you do, when you find good information, you're still going and adding it over to your research documentation page. Good luck!